Hi, I'm Raiful Yoon and welcome to my Riot.js course. This is the one course you need to truly master Riot. Now, if you're still undecided about Riot, I'd suggest you check out the preview lesson in the introduction of this course, titled Why Riot, which will give you a bit of an overview of what Riot is and how it compares to the likes of React or Polymer. So what exactly will this course cover? We'll start by taking a look at basic Riot tag syntax and setting up a Riot project. Then section 2 of the course, which forms the bulk of it, will dive into each individual aspect of the Riot API, making sure that you understand them in detail. These include concepts such as looping, conditionals, and even styling. After that, we'll also see how to use Riot on a server-side environment, or Node.js in this case. And then finally, we'll take all of this new knowledge and put it to use by building a practical, real-world web app. Also, as I'm constantly updating and improving my courses, you'll find everything in this course applicable to the latest Riot version 3. My courses are all about learning as quickly and efficiently as possible, with concise and practical lessons. So be sure to check out some of my reviews and also go ahead and watch some of the preview lectures in this course. Thank you again for taking the time to watch this introduction, and I really look forward to helping you master Riot.